You've definitely seen the send with my iPhone signature in emails. For me, it just screams I can't be bothered. I mean, it's fine if you just don't change the absolute basic setting for your personal correspondence. But when it comes to business, it's just borderline unprofessional. To change that, you need to go to your iPhone settings, go to Mail, and then go to Signature at the bottom. Here you can delete the default signature and replace it with something else. Unfortunately, Apple gives you a super basic field here that only has text input. But even though Apple doesn't give you the tools to do it, it allows you to enter HTML code into the field, so we'll be taking advantage of it. Of course, you can create your own signature in HTML, but that's hardly efficient, especially because there are professional tools for this. Here's MySignature, which is a dedicated solution specifically tailored for this. Here, I can create a new signature. I can either start completely from scratch or select one of the existing templates to modify. So let's do that. I just enter my details, like my name and contact information. I can add my photo and crop it a bit if I need to. I can add my socials and make sure they are all clickable. I can then add things like disclaimers, custom sign-offs, any custom HTML I want. So let's add a button that will take people straight to booking a meeting in my calendar. As you can see, it's all done in just a couple of clicks. I can customize the look of it, and it's completely done. I can play with the design a little bit more if I want to, and after that, it's all done. Then, all you need to do is copy this signature. Go back to my iPhone settings and paste it. And if you had some custom fonts or other formatting, it might seem like it's all wrong and broken. However, there is a trick to it. You either tap the text with 3 fingers and press undo, or just physically shake your phone to do that. And look, the formatting is back and it's all done. As you can see, there are absolutely no excuses for you to still have the absolute basics sent from my iPhone signature anymore. Just use the right tools and you can have a slick, professional, and fully functional signature, fully created and customized on your phone.